Hi mommies, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to crochet this beautiful sunflower romper for baby for any age that you like. It's very easy to set up with all the granny square. I'll put a link in the description box below for how to make the granny square sunflower. It's super easy to make, and let's get started to this project. All you need is 4 different colors, and once you have all this granny square, and we are ready to connect all the granny squares in one. I have here 9 granny squares, trying to put them all together. This is how I place them. And 1 2 3 is how you place the granny squares, and here I added 1 2 3 in the bottom, and as well as after that, and that's how we make them longer to get the size that we want. I added 1 2 3 4 in the size of granny squares for the size of the jumper or romper, but that after you connecting the 9 pieces in the beginning. And just to show you, this is how I connect all these granny squares if you don't know how to connect it. And I'm just gonna place it like this to connect this piece here to here. It's up to you how you connect it, but for me, I go here in the middle of the chain 3 space, and I just connect it here all the way here to chain 3 space as well, and chain 3 space here. So let's begin to make it easier from here all the way here and here. So we're gonna turn it like this. I'm gonna start in a second chain, in a second space, a second stitch or chain of chain 3 space, chain 3 space, I mean 1 2 3, and go in the second chain here, as well as here 1 2 3, go in the second space, a second chain. I always confuse chain and space, which is actually also space. Grab the yarn you want to connect, make a slip knot. It's up to you how you connect this one. As long as they're nicely connected, you can sew it, it's up to you. But if you're using a yarn, this is how I connect it. So I go in the back loop. This is the back loop, and the front loop in the other side. Yarn over and pull through to make a slip stitch. So this is just my preference, you can follow it if you want. And then I repeat, back loop on the top, front loop in the bottom, and 1 slip stitch, or shall we say crochet together the stitches or the loop that are close to each other. Then it will give you a better result in the end. And don't make it too loose, too tight or too loose. Once you connect, then it doesn't make too much not like a bubbly result in the end. So this is just how we connect it: back loop, front loop, slip stitch, back loop, front loop, slip stitch, back loop, front loop, slip stitch. And try to align them together. I would say this better looking when it's aligned, much cleaner. So we are reaching the chain 3 space, and we're gonna crochet. This is my last stitch for the double crochet, and then here we are reaching the middle. So I'm just gonna go here in our next chain, and as you can see, I cannot really say anything, so I will just go in a random stitch that I could find that makes them look nicer in the end here in the middle. So I'm gonna go here, for example, yarn over and pull and slip stitch, then try to close it, go in the next chain, and I would just try to go here, for example, so just enough to close that middle, but always try that they are aligned here as well in the end. Try to make that they are aligned in the end. Just gonna go here in a random chain which is opposite to it, or random stitch, and like that. I'm gonna take all that and like that. So as you can see, it is close, it is clean, and a line here. That's what it means. Now turn to the other side and repeat all the way here down. So now I go per stitches, not in a random stitch anymore, but exactly the ones that are aligned to each other. So this, here, second double crochet, second double crochet in the bottom, and I always go in the back loop and in the front loop stitches, because then in the end is not, or at least they are not bubbly result. Because and here chain 3 space, I have 1 2 3. Now I go in the second chain, yarn over and pull through. Just make sure they are aligned. Chain 1, pull tight, and cut the yarn. And this one is done. Now I'm gonna add or repeat the same here for this, and then here another one here also, and as well as here in the bottom another one to connect. So from chain 3 space, chain 3, connect, here connect, and here as well on the top, connect. Then all the chain 3 space here should all be in one spot, connected together like that, just like what we did here, and here. Super easy. So make another piece of this, which is 9 pieces all together of granny square. Once everything is connected, take the other piece and we're gonna place it on the top like this, here and here and here, trying to make them align all together. And as you can see here in the side, we have extra, the one we added. We're gonna just fold it here and we're gonna connect this here. Take a yarn, make a slip knot, sew it as you want. For me, I'm gonna make it like this, corner to corner, chain 3 space to chain 3 space. So I'm gonna start here in a chain 2, or just exactly in the stitch or in the middle. That is 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet, and I went into the chain 2, and then go in the chain 2 as well in the next chain 3, chain 2, 1 2. Okay, insert your hook in the slip knot and pull. So I went corner to corner and I make it the same stitches, and I'm gonna fold this and connect. Make sure they are aligned. Go in the next chain here, and as well as here, yarn over and pull through. Go in the next stitch, back loop, front loop. It's the same how we do it in the other ones. Back loop, front loop, make 1 slip stitch, or simply the loops that are close to each other. And I'm gonna connect this part here now. I'm gonna take this one, I will just go here, or this one here, make a slip stitch, and then try to make this a line, 3 double crochet here to that one, and then connect. I'm just trying to make them align as much as possible. I think it is way much better, but sometimes I don't clearly see the stitches or it's messed up like what we had before, but then you can use the same loop or same stitch 2 times, but not to overdo it, or exactly the inserting the hook in the front of that stitch, cross of that or opponent of that, and just simply take it, but not overdoing it. So like this, to make it align, make sure this one is here in this corner, 3 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 3 double crochet, all corner together in that section. And then as you can see, I have like this one has to be here and this one here, like this. It has to be like that. Here, folding it, and make sure this corner is closed nicely. Fold from here all the way here, as long as this is nicely closed. Connect to it as long as this is nicely closed. I'm gonna go here. Just make sure they are not so tight. And let's see that one. It's really nice connected. You really like it. It was this one here, this one, this area. Now we're gonna fold it and we're gonna continue connecting the other ones, which is here, and we're gonna repeat what we did in the here to this one here. So it is all done connected here in the side, so I'm going to make the connected here a little bit here, just maybe 2 inches. Make the slip knot here, from here to here, and as you can see, it's not really aligned here because I missed 3 double crochet there to crochet, but it's not so obvious because it's going to be under. Normally it's just how it is right now because it's done connected. Like that, almost 2 inches wide. Once you're done, chain 1, pull tight, and cut the yarn. So now here, I'm gonna insert your hook in a random stitch, make a slip knot, or in any stitch that you find. I'm starting in the corner, making 1 single crochet, insert your hook, 1 single crochet. I'm gonna make 1 single crochet per stitches. So I'm gonna insert my hook in the normal stitch, not in the back loop, and make 1 single crochet per stitches. So I'm just gonna make one single crochet all the way down till here. Once you're done, slip stitch in the first single crochet, chain one, pull tight, and cut the yarn. Once you're done, repeat that. For the strap, we're going to make this one, so I'm gonna insert my hook here. 1 2 3. So you'll go here in the middle, 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet, go here and count back, and there you insert your hook. Make a slip knot to begin, pull and pull, make a chain of 1, insert your hook in the same stitch, place 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1, turn, 1 single crochet per stitches, repeat that until you get to chain row 8. Repeat until round 8. Once you get to round 8, chain 1, turn, insert your hook in the first stitch, grab that yarn and pull, go in the next stitch, grab that yarn and pull, 3 loops in your hook, yarn over, pull through all, it is decrease, and 1 single crochet in the last stitch. Now you have 2 stitches, chain 1, turn, 1 single crochet per stitches, chain 1, turn, insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over and pull, insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over and pull, yarn over, pull through all, another decrease again, so you only have 1 stitch left. Chain 1, turn, 1 single crochet in that stitch, chain 1, turn, 1 single crochet in that stitch, and repeat that until you get this long for a strap. Chain 1, pull tight and cut the yarn. Once you're done, secure all the remaining stitch. So what I want to do here, I want to make a knot. And that's basically it. Let's try it on. It turned out really good and I really liked it. Everything's so perfect and I love this sunflower. Granny square is just beautifully perfect for summer, and I'm using cotton here and it's perfect also. It's light. And yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you guys like it, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you, bye.